Guys, hello everyone. So I'm making video. um we just finished I just finished shower because we've been cleaning here in the house. So this is the house now. It's clean. We bring the table outside, so that's the house. It's clean. So I have to warm my tuna bread. And then here outside we bring the table. That's the table that we clean. Excuse me. I'm sneezing. So these the two girls making TikTok. So they are making TikTok here outside with our clean table. That's the table that we clean. It's super clean now. So make it dry for now. We put here outside to make it dry. So it's raining here now in San Juan. We have a lot of rain today. It's raining day. Sunday is raining. So look at the mountain there. It's so much. You cannot see the mountain. It's fog. Have fog. So now I'm going back here inside. I'm going to put the tuna bread in the oven. So this is the tuna bread that we buy in Metro. Yeah, in where is the Swiss? So this is the leftover. I will warm this one. So I feel hungry, so I'm going to warm the bread. So my honey coffee arrived. Coffee to put here. So I'm going to drink Energin with this one. I will on this warm water because I'm going to drink with Energin. And later tonight, that's our food. We're going to make chicken curry, and then I take out meat for making pancit. That's our food for tonight. So here guys, that's the room upstairs. That's the room upstairs there. That's the room of the girls. And here is our sala. This is my son computer. So I make edit here sometimes with my video. And that's the display Naruto. So much addict with that. Always have many like that ordering online. And there that's the box. So that put here, put inside. That's my this is my chair. This is my chair. I will show you how I sit. See, that's my chair with a big TV here. So, and this what today is Sunday, and we get busy this morning cleaning. Now I like a bit tired. I like to eat something like snack because I feel hungry later to eat the chicken curry. That's our dinner. So remember this guys, I will show you my jacket. I will show you this jacket guys. Is the jacket. And he bought me this. Oh, thank you, honey. So this is my jacket, guys. How I look. How I look with that. Are you done? So I'm going to wear my nag-warm sick ko. Gutom ako. Hi guys. Kurot na. Sayang. So they are kapoy.
Ano mo? Buwan pa rin ka ron ah. Para buwan pa ka ron.
Say hello.
Hi guys. Hi guys. How's your day? How's your day?
It's raining. Nothing to do. So all what we are doing is here on the outside for now. It's nice to be here outside a little bit. Just watching the rain go away. It's raining. So I will check my bread because maybe it's already born. I never put the time. So now I just put. I'm old na. I cannot remember what I do here. So it's a bit cold here because of raining. So it's nice for my jacket. So that's all, guys. So please help us grow our channel. Please subscribe and follow and share. Thank you for watching. Hope you like what I show you, what I do today. So this is my content. I'm just showing around. I'm hungry. That's it. So I can have thing to upload, and then it's not good to go outside now. It's so much raining, hard rain now. It's getting hard rain outside, getting colder. So it's not nice to be outside today. So it's better to stay here inside the house because it's AC. The people get sick because of the weather. Get rain and then hot. But now today is all day raining. So it's not possible to have sunny. So that's all, guys. I will eat now. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.